What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck, bro? Fucking dumbass! Fucking dumbass! Bro, what the fuck?
Am I actually punching myself?
Yo, we're thinking about an idea that is like we make such a drama out of simple stuff like sneezing, like that you. Oh fuck that! Fucking like.
Fucking dumbass! Bro, I can't I've never fake sneezed before.
You gotta go like this.
Yeah.
No, it has to be like anymore like like fucking dumbass! Fucking dumbass! Bro, what the fuck? I don't know. That was actually funny. Bro.